We're more customer service driven. We spend a lot of time in the field supporting our customers. Johnny and Ralph, they're our top tier customer, very well diversed in underground and directional drilling, but we do spend a lot of time in the field supporting them. We have a parts and service department that does the same thing, stocking parts and having techs in the field, making sure there's no downtime, working on the downtime.
So today we're picking up a new JT24 ditch witch, trading in our JT20. The 24 has a lot more power in a small footprint. So we like to pride ourselves on getting the jobs done correctly. And with that, we like to keep our equipment fresh. So there's less breakdowns in the job. We get the jobs done faster to get in and out, you know. The customer service here at Ditch Witch is awesome. You can't ask for a better service. Between the sales team to the mechanics to making one phone call and they get you what you need, pretty much. Whatever you need to get the job done, they'll make it happen for you.